What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate the love and support. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, we always get it in here. Dope recipes, we get it in, man. Freestyle cooking. Let's do it. So today, y'all, we're going to do some halibut, some pan-seared halibut, and vegetable hash with a beets puree. Alright? That's right, y'all. We're getting our seafood thing popping once again. Another great recipe to share with y'all. We about to get it in. On the board, you see I got me some chunks of halibut ready to go. I love going to my fishmonger. They always be selling the chunks of fish. So I always love it because I can get it like that without cutting it up. Especially when I want it like those perfect sizes when I put it on the plate. Also, I got me some a little bit of seafood medley here because that's going to fill out our recipe. So stick with me. You see how this go. And mind you, can use any additional seafood you want to this recipe. But the main star is the halibut, the vegetable hash, and the puree. Okay? And we're just going to fill out the rest of the dish. Make it a full-blown meal. Alright? Seafood style. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, once you got your fish patted, dried, we're going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. That's right. I'm also going to add some garlic powder. And you want to season it generously because it's a mild taste of fish, so it can really take in the flavors that you, whatever you season it with. I'm also going to add some seafood seasoning. You can add whatever you like, Old Bay, whatever kind of seafood seasoning you have. You can add that. Add that. Now, once I got my fish seasoned, we're going to go ahead and put that to the side and get our puree ready. Alright, so right here, I got me some beets. I already boiled them, cut them up, ready to go. And if you never worked with beets before, all you got to do is basically boil them for like 25 minutes. And the skin will come right off smooth. You can take it right off with your hand, paper towel, something like that. And we're going to cut them up in pieces like that to get ready to blend them. Alright, so now I'll get my pan ready. Right before I blend the beets, you want to go ahead and chop up some shallots or some onions. I prefer shallots. Have some shallots chopped up and also some fresh garlic chopped up. Alright, so you'll need some chopped garlic, chopped shallots. Okay, and we'll turn this on. And we're just going to put we're going to soften these shallots up. Get the aroma flowing in the garlic so we can add it to our blender, okay? So I want to go ahead and put a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And I got this on a medium-high heat. I don't have it on a real high heat because, like I said, I don't want to brown my garlic. I just want to get the aroma and the flavor starting to flow. Let's get our shallots up in there. Which is not going to take no time at all, y'all. No, just seconds. Alright, and you want to do it so the shallots get, translucent, and if you start to smell that aroma from the garlic, that's what you want to get it to. Okay, now got my blender out. Got my garlic and shallots up in the blender. So y'all can see. Next, I'm gonna add the beets. Oh yeah, y'all, real quick, easy recipe, man. Love sharing with y'all. You know how I do. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lime. Alright. So there's one whole lime. Next, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, y'all. And we want to blend this until it get real smooth. Alright, y'all. There we go. Just pulsing it a little bit. Got it right to where I want it. Let's check it out. Alright. Ooh, there we go, y'all. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice, smooth puree. Alright. Boom. There we go. Got the puree up in a bowl. Now we're going to get ready to get our fish popping. Got our silky smooth puree. Let's get it popping, y'all. Told y'all real easy. Let's do it. Alright, got my same pan that I used for my garlic and shallots. Don't worry about the little residue. That's just going to give me the additional flavor. And we just want to get our fish up in there. Don't move it. Just let it sit. Alright. Just let it sit there. And we're going to flip it. We're going to do it about 4. With these size chunks, we're going to do it about 4 minutes on each side. As y'all can see, the first batch came out nice and beautiful, y'all. Last 3 pieces is in. We moving, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, now that my second batch is done, I'm going to go ahead and pour some stock in here. That's right. Get all that goodness off the bottom of the pan, y'all. So get all them bits and pieces. I want all that. I want all that flavor. I'm also going to add some fresh lemon juice. Also a couple tablespoons of butter. And we'll just let this reduce on down, y'all. That'll give us a nice little pan sauce, a little bit of flavor going on. Also, I'm going to add me some capers. Yeah. Alright, and we're just going to let this reduce down to a nice little lemony butter sauce. Boom, got my sauce up out the pan, poured it in a bowl, still rocking and rolling with my pan. Now I want to go ahead and get that seafood medley I got in there, just add a little bit of seafood, mix. And like I said, y'all, any kind of extra seafood y'all want to add. Like I said, I just bought the medley bag, so it's just a variety of different seafood in there, different meat. Just want to go ahead and add my seafood seasoning in there. Some garlic powder. And we just want to just stir this up maybe about 3 minutes. These are small pieces, won't take no long to cook through. Now that I got my seafood medley out the way, add a little bit more oil. We're going to add our vegetable hash. Now I'm using this vegetable hash that I got from Trader Joe's, already made and prepared to save me some time. You can obviously put together your own. This is sweet potato, butternut squash, onion, celery. Just a whole mix of vegetables, y'all. Alright, go ahead and get that up in there, stir it up. This is only going to take a couple of minutes also. Put a little bit of stock in there. Get some of that goodness up. So that my hash get a little bit of that flavor mixed in there. You know, that seafood flavor. I'm gonna just add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. That's it. So I'm already getting a lot of that flavor from out the pan. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Time to get this thing plated on up. Alright, got my bowl out. Got my pastry brush going on. Just want to get my puree up on there like that. And just get it around there like that, y'all. Oh yeah. Okay. And then we got my bowl ready. Go ahead and get my vegetable hash. Get that right down there in the middle of the bowl. Next, I'm going to add some sprouts on top. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of my seafood medley. Get that right there in the little corner, side. Yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. Next, get a piece of my fish. Set that right on top of the sprouts. Next, we're going to add some mint leaves. Get this thing looking real nice, y'all. Add some mint leaves. Next, I want to go ahead and add my sauce, my pan sauce, and the capers. Oh yeah. And there we go, y'all. The finished product. Feel me? I went ahead and plated it up 2 different ways. As you can see, I brushed my puree all the way around the board so you could just sop up all crazy. You dig me? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Got the halibut, got the caper butter sauce. Oh yeah, got the seafood medley on there. That's right, y'all. That's how we doing it, man. Freestyle cooking with streets, man. Told y'all. You feel me? Let y'all see the other one. You know, in case you want to hook it up a different kind of way for your friends. That's how we doing it, y'all. You dig? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so y'all can stay up to date with these videos. Comment, let me know if y'all tried it, let me know what y'all think. And you already know what I'm about to do, man. About to go in. Holla.